How to upload status on WhatsApp without losing quality in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once inside the app, tap the Settings tab in the bottom right corner. On the Settings page, select the Storage and Data option. Here, under the Media Quality section, tap on the Upload Quality option. Change the selection from Standard Quality to HD Quality. Now, navigate to the Updates tab at the bottom and tap on Add Status. Select a high-quality photo from your gallery that you wish to post. Once selected, tap the Send button in the bottom right to share it with your contacts. Your status has now been successfully posted in high definition. Following these steps, you can easily upload status on WhatsApp without losing quality on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.